Okay, so we have a 1987 Porsche 944S. Now, I have a brand new hatch main seal. The part that I need help with is the secondary seal. So you can see here that this is a bare metal ring that goes all the way around the whole hatch. Okay, and that ring, to me, would not make sense to smash this metal ring onto a rubber seal and call that watertight. I would assume that I am missing something here, whether it's plastic or rubber, something's missing. And no matter who I talk to, I cannot get a part number or a diagram or anything. I've had several people try to sell me this, which has nothing to do with sealing the hatch. It's simply for the wing and for this. So I'm looking for believe it's a secondary hatch seal that would attach to this metal ring that goes all the way around the hatch, and then when it closes, it would close airtight or watertight onto the hatch main seal. And if there's a universal option to repair this, meaning not wasting $100 on a Porsche part, then that would be awesome too. I don't care if it's OEM or if it's, you know, a piece of rubber from AutoZone. I just need to get it fixed and get the car on the race course. So if you guys could help, that would be awesome. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you for the next video.
Try not to hold me down, feeling like